Hello, welcome back to our game editing program where I'm showing you our progress in our game. Now, most of you probably won't notice a huge difference in this video, but there are a few things. Notably, I figured out how to change the player character. So originally you spawn as the default thing, which is, in this particular one, a third-person character. But I've found a way to then delete that character and then spawn as an ally character, which means there'll be an ally character that is specifically the player character that will read into memory and be targetable and blah 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 blah. You don't really care. Alright, here we go. Just give it a second as it loads. Okay, so one, we have some new text over here that basically just pops up in the game load saying who's alive, who isn't, and we have a turn counter. So right now the game starts as the ally turn, so it says ally turn 1, and then when it'll switch turn, it'll be enemy turn 1, and then when it comes back to us it says ally turn 2, and it just keeps counting up like that. So right now obviously there's new colors, I've found a way to change the colors, and they all kind of play the same animations, and all this stuff is the same, but the big cojones of this one is I've created a basic AI and they fight back and I lose player health. So, and it goes determining to their speed. So I've set this guy the fastest, the green one, and then it'll go to gold, and then it'll go back to this blue dude. And each time, you know, they all do damage to player health. And right now, that's all I have with that. But I am going to have it so eventually you can switch to this ally dude, and he can also take damage. And now, I believe the green guy just shot. So if I kill the gold guy, you know, normal computer logic would mean the next person in order would be this one, which is how it works. But it's not so. It took me a really long time to get that to work. But so, gold guy will fall down and die, and then blue will go because that person's dead. And then I can attack this dude, and then the green guy will shoot, and it'll just be these two in order now. Very, very, very nice. Really glad that it works. But this is really going to be a short video. It's just basically saying, hey, we've gotten a game now. Now I just have to work out, you know, a few more kinks, and we've pretty much got the actual basic system in place. And now I can start doing inventory and cool like abilities, and maybe a better user interface, and just things like that. So we actually have a very, very, very good working prototype here. Although unfortunately I don't have a cool death menu for defeat yet, but I will eventually have that. Now it should go back to green to shoot on only him, and he kills me, and then because I don't have a death animation and I only have one person, it doesn't auto possess a different person. So, but yep, that's it. Just wanted to show off what I had, and that we basically have a video game now, you know, something that's actually somewhat kind of fun to see, and, you know, works, and you can play. So hopefully the next update here in June, I'll have switchable between ally characters, and maybe some cool special moves done, but including for the enemies too. But thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.